Hello and welcome to the Shopfloor tutorial covering employee and welder creation. We are going to begin by creating a welder. We have three different ways you can do this. You can click the Manage Welders tile on the Message Center tab. You can click Company, Employees, Create New Employee, and then change the employee type. Or you can click Welders, Create New Welder. Start by typing in their first name, last name, email address, a stamp number, clock number, and for Shopfloor access, I'm going to select Welder. This will allow the user to view WPS. Type in a username in an email format. Click OK. Below the personal information, you'll notice that we have an electronic signature. This will allow the user to sign Section 9 records that they have access to. Under Shopfloor access, you'll notice status. Once an employee has been marked as inactive for 6 months or more, that employee seat will no longer count towards the maximum number of accounts your company has licensed. You'll also notice that we have a common arc area, which is great if you have any contract welders. This is a common arc welder, and the local union number that I'm using is Cleveland, Ohio. I will save and keep working. From here, I will create an employee. On the side navigation, click Company, Employees, Create New Employee. Change the employee type to Foreman Supervisor. Type of first name, last name, work email, and for the Shopfloor access, I'm going to select Custom, and then I'll modify that on the Edit page. Then I'll click OK. Under the Shopfloor access, you'll see that you can now assign permissions. This is a foreman, so I want them to be able to see all record types. And then I'll click OK. If you were to select Administrator, Administrator access will allow this user to view, edit, and delete all records on your company's Shopfloor account. Please check out my other videos in the series. Thanks a lot for watching.